Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix Steam not logging in. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If you're having trouble logging into Steam, there could be several reasons for the issue. Here are some steps to help you troubleshoot and fix the problem. First method, completely exit Steam by right-clicking on the Steam icon and the hidden icons. I'm just selecting exit and just reopen Steam and try logging in again. Next method, sometimes Steam servers can be down from maintenance or other issues. Check the Steam status page or website like Steam status to see if there are any ongoing problems. Another method, make sure your operating system and network drivers are up to date. This can resolve compatibility issues that might be preventing Steam from connecting. Next method, search for Steam, then choose to click Run as Administrator. This can help resolve permission issues that might be preventing you from logging in. Next method, open the command prompt as an administrator and copy the codes link in the description below and press enter. Type another code again and press enter. Restart your PC and try logging into Steam again. Next method, open Steam and choose Go Offline from the menu and just restart Steam and log in using offline mode. After logging in, switch back to online mode from the menu. Another method, if all else fails, consider reinstalling Steam. Uninstall Steam from Control Panel, Programs and Features. Then find Steam, right-click on it, then hit Uninstall. Download and install the latest version of Steam from the official Steam website. Last method, if none of the above steps work, contact Steam support for further assistance. Provide detailed information about the issue and the steps you have taken to try to resolve it. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.